Hey guys.
Hi.
We have Las Panchas taco shop. I got some horchata. What is it? It's like
vanilla Coke.
It's like a rice, sugar,
Cinnamon sugar.
So good.
Milk drink.
I don't know. Rice milk.
Carne Asada burrito. With American guacamole.
I got the same thing right here. And then we got some roll tacos. American guacamole. It's gonna fall. And then I got some crunchy carrots.
Got carrots.
When did they start putting it on this thing? Do they always do that? Oh.
Because there's a lot of grease in the boat.
Is there? Alright, let's eat. I don't like this lighting.
So good.
So good.
Ooh.
Go back.
The steak is like marinated. Oh, I just clicked. Salsa. That there. Oh. Whoops. Just for
So good.
juicy.
It is juicy. I can't eat dry food. It's the worst. Good?
Yeah.
Get some salsa. You have one already. Look.
What a hot carrot.
Oh, don't drip.
Huh. Bomb. That calm.
Some people have never had this before in their life.
Or they think
that's
they've had
hot.
Mexican food.
Yeah. I haven't had Las Panchas in a long time.
That's spicy, huh? We used to do yard work all day when we were younger. And our mom used to buy this.
So worth it.
Ooh, got my lip.
What?
It's hot.
Oh. One spot. Oh, American guac.
Wash my neck.
What's in it? American guac, steak, carne asada.
Salsa fresca. Pico de gallo, whatever you call it. What's the difference between salsa fresca and pico de gallo? Is pico the white salsa fresca like the non-Mexican way to say pico de gallo?
No clue. I think it's the same thing.
Yeah. But I don't think if you didn't know how to speak Spanish,
Say salsa fresca?
you wouldn't know how to say pico de gallo if you saw it written out.
Maybe. Oh, so good.
Mmm.
Is it chicken or beef?
Beef with rice?
Oh no. Those are big
rice in it.
taquitos. Those are big.
Mm-hmm.
Roll tacos?
Circle tacos.
Hell.
Best roll taco is the one in the middle.
Who gets it?
Huh?
Who gets it?
You gotta meet in the middle. You gotta eat your way. Do you ever just grab the middle one?
No, that's mean.
If it's just yours.
What is that on it? A basil? Bay leaf?
Mm-hmm. Carrot in the middle taco.
What do they do to these?
Pickle them.
Pickle them? So good.
You didn't get any chili peppers. I eat them.
Oh, you do?
Mm-hmm. The red one. So good. Hot.
Look at that. So pretty.
I may have one. And frog.
Mmm.
Mmm.
This is bomb. Don't say it.
Oh my god.
Oh, that guacamole.
Mmm.
Dip it. A little bit.
We got a good end.
Mm-hmm.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
Want to bite?
Mmm.
Good.
It's 4:30.
It's late.
Sunday? Super Bowl Sunday. Boo.
We don't care about the Super Bowl. If you can tell. If I did go to a Super Bowl party,
It'd be for the food.
Yep. And the halftime show,
Yeah, it's... You know who it is?
Cardi B.
Maroon 5 and Travis Scott.
Oh. Good one.
Maybe.
I started drinking my horchata on the way here.
I don't like it.
Why?
No. I don't like milk. It's like sweet milk. Like a rice pudding. I imagine it being like rice pudding drink.
Try it.
Nope.
First time on camera.
Okay. Well, not first time I've had it.
Oh.
Just not. And I do not like Jamaica.
Oh.
The pink one? The red one?
That was an angry one. I have room.
Oh, crap.
Well,
Uh-oh.
mess.
What are your leaves in here?
No. That's hot. Hot.
You had your spell on the last time we made a video?
What?
You had your seatbelt on the whole time?
Ugh.
Pissing me off.
When you watched it?
Yeah.
I bet if I didn't say anything, you would have never even noticed.
Probably not. What'd you do today?
To Grandma's house. Picked up a dresser. Saul was unhappy with me. Nina's gonna get mad at me if I don't finish the
You
burrito.
have to finish it. This is a diaper. We've reached the diaper. I don't know if you know what a burrito diaper is. It doesn't sound good.
It doesn't sound
It's
good
for all
at
the
all.
juices.
I'm so full. I ate today. This is the difference.
You had a small little appetizer. Maybe you just have more burps.
I know I need to burp again.
Is this all that are different?
Yeah, I guess they have more than one place. Annie, I'm gonna die. Breathe through it. One more bite. This is gonna be my last bite, I think. I can't finish. Ready? It's gonna be a good one.
It's so good.
Juicy? Tapping out.
No.
Nose is all runny.
Have another real taco.
No.
Just gonna watch me eat.
Yeah. I might dig in a little bit more, but for the most part. What'd you eat today? What'd you do today?
We stayed home. Laundry.
Bet.
Get ready for the school week.
Do you think it's easier when the kids are off of school or in school? For you, what's easier?
I need the schedule of school. Like, we had the 2-week
Off?
Christmas break.
Yeah.
And, like, the days were just, like, whatever.
Yeah.
And once we went back to school, or they went back to school, I, like, needed the routine.
Yeah.
I don't know. I like it. Although it was nice to just
Not do anything.
sit around and not have to be anywhere.
I don't like school because I have to get up. I have to drop all the kids off at school before I go to work. So I have to get up even earlier than I do
You just get
to
to
drop. I have to leave earlier.
We just get to go to work. Without
Yeah.
having to take the kids inside.
And then I just feel like with homework and stuff, it's a lot. But then yeah, I feel like it gets them out of the house, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because Bubba's at that age where it's like all he want, like he could literally play video games all day long, all day if I let him. So at least he like is productive.
Come on. Just a roll taco. It's just a roll taco.
I'm a quitter.
Do it for Gemma.
Gemma.
Mm-hmm.
That's all tortilla on that side. I'm gonna eat this side. It was so good. There's no room. I think my pants are too tight.
It's a big burrito, but there's bigger in San Diego.
Oh yeah. After I ordered it and everything, I was like reading the menu, and they have flaming hot stuff.
Flaming hot Cheeto burrito.
Yeah. I was like, oh, should have got that. This lighting is making me mad. Where is it coming from? The sun's going down. Right on my face.
Okay.
You done?
Last bite with me.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh. That's a good bite. Cheers.
Ooh. Oh, bomb.
Welcome.
I feel like we ate a lot. Or doesn't look like it.
That's a lot.
Well, friends. Cheers.
Cheers.
Like and subscribe.
Horchata's good. Horchata's good. Like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications.
Ding.